When you lift the helmet, it powers on automatically. Press the On Mode button to activate the digital screen, showing the battery level and allowing you to adjust settings. Hold the On Mode button to put the screen to sleep. Press the On Mode button to select work modes based on your welding process. Press the Funk button to adjust the delay, sensitivity, and shade of the filter. Shade level adjusts the darkness of the filter during welding. Weld mode, DIN 11 is the recommended starting point. Test weld and adjust if needed. Cut mode, DIN 8 is the recommended starting point. Test cut and adjust if needed. Grind mode, shade number fixed at 4. Sensitivity controls how quickly the filter responds to welding arcs. For first-time use, start with the highest sensitivity and adjust downward as needed. Delay controls how long it takes for the filter to switch from dark to light. For first-time use, start with the longest delay and adjust downward as needed. For tack welding, choose the shortest delay setting. The device will automatically power off after 30 minutes of inactivity. The top straps should fit snugly to your head with no gaps. Rotate the rear knob to adjust the fit. Position the edge of the sweatband just above your eyebrows. Ensure the rear sweatband fits snugly against the back of your head. Adjust the viewing angle. Adjust the viewing distance. Side lens covers can be installed as needed. Optional hard hat adapters.